Has your home recently been damaged by a wind or a hailstorm? Are you uncertain if damage has occurred? Maybe causing the value of your roof and home to diminish? Do you need to contact your insurance company, but you're not quite sure what to do or where to begin? I'm sure you have lots of questions and need help from an honest and experienced professional. There are so many self-accredited roofers and claim experts out there, but who can you really trust? The wrong decision could cost you hours of wasted time and thousands of dollars. We know it's easy to feel overwhelmed assuming the complexity of the insurance claim process, with lengthy phone calls being extremely time-consuming, the unneeded stress and endless confusion, worrying whether or not your claim will be approved. I'm here to tell you that there's a company out there that can do it all. Introducing Florida Roof and Solar Contractors Incorporated. We work for you, not your insurance company. Florida Roof and Solar Contractors is a full-service general contractor that specializes in assisting homeowners with their insurance claims from start to finish, combined with all of their roofing needs, saving money with solar energy and energy efficiency upgrades. Here's the process. We start with a free, no obligation certified inspection of your home. We will photograph your home's exterior and interior if necessary and write up a detailed report. You call in your claim to your insurance company. We sign our contingency-based contract to start assisting with your claim. We then meet with your scheduled adjuster to assign by the insurance company to ensure that the full scope of damage is documented. If your insurance company won't cover your loss, you owe us nothing. If it is covered, we will manage the project from start to finish. All you pay is your low deductible. No matter how complex your project is, we can do it all. We don't use normal contracts like most roofers do, because an insurance claim is unknown until we determine whether or not it's going to get approved or not. This way, you can't be on the hook for anything. Now, if your insurance company says no go, then nothing happens and no work is done. All we ask is if we do all the legwork and we get your roof approved, you allow Florida Roof and Solar Contractors to do the work. Now, is it possible to get a brand new lifetime warranted roof and improve the value of your home? Well, yes, it happens every day. You have nothing to lose by taking action and getting your certified inspection done by us today. There are some key facts to know about getting your new roof approved, as per the Florida Statutes and Building Code. The Florida Building Code states not more than 25% of the total roof area or roof section of any existing building or structure shall be repaired, replaced, or recovered in any 12-month period unless the entire roofing system or roof section conforms to the requirements of this code. Meaning, if 25% of your roof is damaged, it would qualify for a full roof replacement. As per Florida statutes state, when a loss requires replacement of items and the replaced items do not match in quality, color, or size, the insurer should make reasonable repairs or replacement of items in adjoining areas. Meaning, if we can't repair or replace with like materials, it would qualify for a full roof replacement. As a roofing general contractor, we offer certified roofing inspections, assessments, and estimates. We have over 15 years in business. We have OSHA trained supervisors. We have in-house workers and crews. We use Xactimate insurance approved estimates and documentation. We are a roofing and general contract licensor in Florida, third-party financial insurance and supplier audited and accredited, family and veteran-owned business, lifetime material warranty and lifetime workmanship warranties, solar energy, which could mean a free roof for you, energy efficiency upgrades, and smart home technology. Don't think you'll be buried under loads of paperwork. Florida Roof and Solar Contractors will handle all the paperwork so you can focus on living your life. All we need of you is to select your new shingle color and leave the rest to us. We guarantee a peace of mind and a better tomorrow with your lifetime, warranted, leak-proof, guaranteed new roof.